What's up, guys? This video is going to be about my 1990 GMC. Right now I'm going to just do an exhaust video. I haven't done one yet, and I'm kind of really excited about it because I just got a true dual exhaust last summer, and I haven't gotten really around to doing a exhaust video. But it is a 1990 GMC. It has the 6-inch rough country lift kit, suspension lift, of course. I'll climb under here quick and show you what the exhaust is about. True dual from each manifold back, and then all the way over there, back, and then 45'd out. It is true dual, no cats, 2 mufflers, and it is a 1990, like I said, so it obviously has the rust, typical GM rust, wheel wells, but other than that, it's not too bad. But let's get into it. So that will pretty much do it for this video. I'll start it up quick and show you what it's like at idle and rev it up a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of quiet at idle a bit. Which I'm kind of disappointed at, because I used to have cherry bomb, or one single dual exhaust cherry bomb, and that was ridiculously loud on here. But it's not too bad. But I'll rev it up for you a bit. That's that. So thanks for watching, and I'll maybe update more, a little bit more. The lift is about 1 year old. In a couple months I'll probably do another video on that, but thanks for watching and stopping by.